I'm Ron Belknap, founder and CEO of ProtoCAM, and I wanted to wish our customers, partners, vendors, and others a very happy Thanksgiving and holiday season. Though the COVID-19 pandemic has greatly affected all of us this year, we still have so much to be thankful for. Most importantly, all the fantastic customers and people that ProtoCAM has had the pleasure to work with during this difficult time. Thank you so much for your support. We're doing our very best by working with our local healthcare facilities and producing masks, ear savers, and face shields to protect those on the front lines. And we've also been giving away ear savers with each order leaving our facility to better assist with the mask wearing mandate. We know the world looks different this year during the holiday season, but that hasn't changed our commitment to our customers in producing high quality parts and prototypes. Thank you and have a happy Thanksgiving from all of us at ProtoCAM.